Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate 50 to 100 social media posts in 5 minutes. Okay, so if you're tired of creating content, especially if your niche is a motivational niche, faceless channel, this is the best option for you to use to generate multiple content. Okay, so you don't need to do any hard work. ChatGPT is going to help us to generate the content of the video. Okay, so head over to your to your browser and search for chat.openai. And then we're going to enter our prompt here. So feel free to enter your own prompt, but if you want me to, show you or share with you this prompt, I'll leave it in the description box. So enter your prompt and ChatGPT will give us what we want. So guys, as we're waiting for ChatGPT to generate the answers for us, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and leave your comments in the comment section. So now ChatGPT has generated the answers for us. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to copy this answer that the ChatGPT has given to us, and then we're going to go to our Google Sheets. That's the spreadsheet. We're going to go there and then paste it. To have more, and add another sheet and also paste. So we're going to go with this 50 for now. So after pasting it here, so we are going to download this sheet. As CSV. Yes, it's downloaded now, and then the next thing is to go to Canva. And then if you're making a YouTube short, like I'm making a YouTube short, I'm going to search for mobile phone, mobile video. So you sign in if you already have an account, or you sign up. Okay, and then once we're here, it is time to connect. Okay, let's search for templates. Motivational template. You can pick any of these, or if you have your own videos, you can use it. We're just going to pick one of these templates, and then for the sake of this tutorial, So we're going to add a header for the title. And title this one as okay. Let's add a background to it. We're going to effects and then drag and drop it up here. So this is going to be the quote itself. Let's change the text style. And let's increase the font so that people can be able to read it easily. So you can use this format for any social media posts, for your TikTok videos, for Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Okay. So the next thing to do is to connect the cell. So now we are going to connect the data. We're going to connect the file that we downloaded before. Okay. So just go to your apps. This is the apps section. Go there and search for Bulk Create. Okay. And then we're going to upload our CSV file. But if you want to, you can enter it manually if you want to, but because we have CSV that we downloaded earlier, so yes, this is the file. It's here, and we're going to connect it. Connected to quote, and this is the title. This one will remain the same, but if you want yours to be like page 1, tips, 2 tips, 3. You're going to have to you duplicate this, and then you write it, the number of tips, and then you connect. So for this one, I just want it to be the same, creator's tip, all the 50 pages. And once you connect to the data, which is this one, the code, and then just click on continue. This is the data, the 50 of them. And then generate. Let's see. This is the result. So we've managed to create about 50 YouTube shorts. You can also turn this into a post. You decide to, if you want to, make it into an Instagram story, you can just come here, the template, and search for Instagram posts, and then you choose, and then also connect to the same way we connected this one. It's that simple. So guys, I hope you've learned it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and I'll answer you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and support this small channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.